Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Now I've got another box opening. So this is a watch company, a sister company to the Spinnaker that you guys might have just seen me open up. Man, I'm digging this one already. So stay tuned for a follow-up on this one once I get to know it a little bit better. But let's see what we got in this package. I'm glad that they kind of split them up so I could do two box openings a little easier. As you can see, poking through the bubble wrap there, we have a AV-8. So we got AV-8 time instruments. I've done some AV-8s in the past and have really liked them. I like their boxes too. I think that's a pretty cool, kind of military look box. Let's take a look at what we got. All right. We got a little plastic going on here, the paper. Wow, that's a cool. I almost thought that strap was rubber for a second, but it's like a thick leather. Really cool. A lot going on the dial there. This is the AV-8 Hawker Hunter Avon edition. I'm trying to get the plastic off, but we'll leave it for now. Look at the dial. I really like that case design too. Carries over into the crown. Logo on the buckle. Take a look at this. So this is the AV-4064-02. If you go to their site right now, this AV-8 is on there for $244.65, I believe. And I think these guys are also having some Black Friday sales. Pretty cool treatment to the crown. And look at that case back. Wish my lights weren't making it go all crazy. But the case back is super cool. It's got the Hawker Hunter on there, stainless steel. I really like the look of this one as well. I'll definitely be doing follow-ups on this AV-8 and that Spinnaker later on. I just wanted to do some quick box opening and get you guys the links to these in case you're interested. That way you can hit them up for that the Black Friday sales that are going on. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.